Hey, so recently I felt discouraged. I felt like I couldn't do anything right, and I felt like everything was against me. I had little motivation to keep trying the things I was doing and applying for. I think we all feel this way sometimes. But then I read something which changed my whole perspective. A Jewish rabbi, known as Rabbi Pliskin, outlined that there's a very important lesson regarding this in the first few pages of the Bible. In the beginning, there was nothing but darkness and chaos. But then, with only a few words from God, there was light and order. Rabbi Pliskin outlines that this teaches us that even in the darkest of moments, things can change in an instant. Knowing that God has this power, we should have hope and persevere through times of trouble and negativity. We should have faith in Him. Now let me show you something. This will be cool, just give me a second. One balloon, one hairdryer. Okay, now so if I turn this hairdryer on with this balloon, common sense is that it's going to blow away. And it did. Now you'll think the same thing would happen if I go up. It would blow up to the ceiling and then fall down somewhere else. Let's see if that's the case though. As you can see, the balloon is not falling to the ground. It's staying right above the hairdryer. Floating around, it bounces around, but it does not want to fall to the ground. This occurs due to something known as the Bernoulli effect. This occurs due to low air pressure being created by the airstream, and contrasting with the high air pressure outside of the airstream, the balloon is being forced to stay in the center. Even if I tilt the hairdryer in one direction, it will fly to one side, and then as I return it to the center, it comes back. Now this is the same principle behind how birds fly. Alright, on with the video though. We should put this principle into practice in our lives. We should remind ourselves of all the good things God has done for His people in the past, as we read in the Bible, and for us personally in our lives. We should remain hopeful knowing this and have faith in Him. So regardless of the bumps we face in life, the troubles, the negativity, we should use God's invisible force and His helping hand to help us keep going and to help us keep trying and persevering in whatever we are doing. We should use it to keep us from falling to the ground and giving up. In Isaiah chapter 40 verses 29 to 31, we read, "He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Even youths grow tired and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not grow faint." And in chapter 41 verse 10, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand." So next time you face trouble and negativity, remind yourself of how God can change your life around in a moment. How He changed darkness and chaos into light and order. And use this faith to help you keep going. Remind yourself of the promise that He will always be there to help you, strengthen you, and guide you. Let your awareness of God and His goodness give you strength to keep trying and persevering in whatever you are doing. And let it help you soar on wings like eagles. I hope you enjoyed this little message and this little Bible talk. And so yeah, if you found this video helpful, please share it with those you think might need it. Let's help each other. Let's be a big family and help us grow and fight through the troubles in life. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this new format of me talking to the camera, let me know. And until next time. Yeah, see ya.